அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Respected functional directors, executive directors, CGMs, senior officers, NLCAL team members, and all present here. On the occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti, I congratulate you all. Ambedkar Jayanti, Valtugal. And I also congratulate each and everyone on the occasion of Tamil New Year. Today our nation celebrates 133rd Ambedkar Jayanti. Ambedkar, who is Bharat Ratna, is a great personality, having multi-discipline, multi-talented, and he is a multi-dimensional personality, eminent jurist, great thinker, philosopher, true revolutionist, historian, orator, economist, able parliamentarian, efficient administrator, and a constructive statesman of extraordinary caliber, a devoted reformer, and a champion of human rights. Above all, Baba Saheb was known as the liberator of more than 6.5 crore downtrodden people of India at the time of independence, and was regarded as a ray of hope for them. In the early 19th century, it was very difficult to pursue education, but with the determination, commitment, and his focused efforts, he has become so great in the education as well as in all the areas. When India got independence, that time the basic task and major task was constitution. Making constitution, drafting constitution was a very difficult task, particularly for a country like India, which is having multi-religion and geographically different from one region to other. So it is very difficult to prepare the constitution, taking all factors into consideration. Initially, people at the helm of affairs were thinking of giving this consultancy to foreign management consultant to draft the constitution. But this assignment was given to Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and that changed the entire scenario, and an excellent constitution was drafted and prepared, which results even today in the dynamic world scenario. India is on the top of the list, mainly because of its strength in the constitution. So we all should be very much thankful to Baba Saheb Ambedkar for his commitment and devoted efforts, which resulted into the current state of the country. He also gave a lot of importance to the education, and he believed that education is the topmost priority for the development of the country. Once again, I congratulate you on the occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti, and I am privileged to be the part of these great celebrations by our all associations and NLCAL. Thank you. Thank you.